What's up guys, Chris here for GQ37. Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter on my Infiniti QX70, or it could also be the same for a second gen FX, FX35, FX37. This is the air filter I'm using today. I like to use in my cars. It's an Amazon air filter. I'll put a link in the description on where you can get that. First thing you got to do is we're going to kind of have to drop the glove box. So we're going to have to take out all these screws here. There's usually one in the corner and these up here. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. And boom, those 4 screws are out. Now in order to get to the ones in the corner, I'm going to show you what you got to do next, because it's a little bit different than on the first gens or the G37 or G35 or any other Infiniti vehicle I've ever had. So you're going to need to pull up on this a little bit, kind of rock the side. That will kind of unlatch it from the interior system there. There's a string there, and now you can get to like that screw and that screw, and then we'll remove this one as well. All right, good. Now those are out. I went ahead and detached this pull string for here. This is what makes your glove box slow down as it opens. It's a dampening system, so that's what that's for, and that connects to there. So got the glove box out of the way, and the process, you can do this either before or usually whenever you pull the glove box down, this little plastic piece drops down as well. And now we can remove the glove box portion and reveal the cabin air filter. Pull gently there. We've got a little wiring harness there, which is fine. You don't really have to unplug any of that, because what we're getting to is this right here, this door. And you just pull back on this latch and then kind of out, and there's our genuine Nissan air filter. And pay attention to the way it goes in, and the lettering is up. You'll notice that the arrow is pointing down. That's the way that the airflow goes. Wow, that's pretty dirty. If that's the color it's supposed to be. Yep, it was definitely time. I bought this car last year and it had supposedly just been changed by the dealership. The car had 34,000 miles on it, but we're way over that now, so definitely time. Time to put in the new one. The reason I wanted to stress the importance of the arrow in the direction is because I've had my last car, the dealership actually put it in the wrong way, and it kind of confused me as to which way the air flows on these. So there are arrows on it, and the words are upright and the arrows go down. That is because the airflow does come down and then it curves and comes back up through your air vents. But some people believe that the filter goes up, it sucks it up and blows it straight through your air vents. That's not the case. Obviously you can tell the dirty side was up here when you took it out, so that is the direction of the airflow. Just wanted to clarify that because a dealership put it in correctly on mine, and so I want to let you guys know that. So that is it, but I'm going to put the camera back down because you do want the filter to sit up on this, so I need both hands in order to do it like that. So these little teeth here, they're going to slide back in on the plastic. And that holds the air filter up, like so. You can see the light color up here, that's where the filter is, towards the top. And then it's just a matter of putting all this back in there together. So I'm going to push this plastic trim back up in here first. And then, to hold it, I'm going to go ahead and put this screw back in, right there. That way that's not falling back down on me. Now is the time to go ahead and put your other screws in the corner as well. Alright, after that, we're going to attach our dampening system back. And let me just show you this. So, it has to line up. The hole is going to go on this part, and then there's a peg on the back of it that's going to go into that part. So kind of I need both hands, so it's kind of hard to show you that, so I wanted to explain what I'm doing there. Once you get it back on, you just slide the teeth of the bottom of the glove compartment in their little slots, and it'll pop back in. Same way you pulled it up, you're going to push it back in. I'm going to go ahead and put these 4 screws back in here. Boom, the 4 screws are back in, and I'm going to go ahead and put this little lower plastic trim piece back in. It's just going to push up. Like so. There you go, a little footwell, and that's also where you have a light down there, your footwell light, if you have the interior lighting there. And that's all there is to it, guys. So that slowly drops back down again. And there you are. Hopefully that's helpful to somebody watching the video. I know people always ask about my floor mats as well, these diamond stitch mats. I have a separate video on that if anyone's interested. I'll put that in the upper right corner there. A review on where I got these. They're on eBay, and I'll put a link in the description of that video. I'll put one in this video as well. If you're interested in getting some of those mats, you can get them in different color thread for your interior. I had the limited edition, so I just matched that. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time.